Hello and welcome to Survey4All. In this demonstration video, I will explain to you briefly and simply how to create a survey and how to vote on a survey. So as you see here, I'm on a homepage currently, but on the navigation bar where I'm currently pointing at, you see multiple buttons. Now you want to create a survey, you need to navigate to the Create Surveys tab. Press that, and now you're ready to ask questions. So survey title, so it could be anything, whether you want to call this survey, so breakfast. So that's my title. I want the survey to be about breakfast. So first question, do you eat eggs for breakfast? Now, question type, we have multiple that we can choose from. So text, number, color, email, and date. So for this one, I'm gonna add text. Add. We can add multiple questions. So here, if answered yes, how many eggs do you eat? Now, because we're asking how many, we're gonna set that as number. A different type, type of question mark. So now you can only answer with a number, you can't answer with text. So obviously we don't eat eggs, the answer will be 0. Add. Ask another. What time do you usually eat breakfast? And this will be a text. So I would add this. Now I have multiple questions, it's just a demo. You can add as many as you want. The title. So now I want to submit the survey. Now it's submitted. Now in order for people to vote, or if yourself want to vote, you would navigate to the View Surveys tab. I just refresh this. There is what we just created, the breakfast demo. So if you press this, now we can get ready to vote. So do you eat eggs for breakfast? Well, my answer is yes. If answered yes, how many eggs do you eat? So I'm typing in characters right now, doesn't work. So let's say 3 eggs. What time do you usually eat breakfast? Let's say 10 a.m. Submit it, and it's submitted. And that's how you create and view the survey and vote on it.